Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide tag photos on Facebook. Anytime a friend or Facebook user tags you, you will get a notification. You can take your time and decide whether you are comfortable with the tag photo. If not, you can head to your settings and hide the tag images. Hiding the tag photos on Facebook will remove the image from your timeline. Also, any Facebook user who goes through your pictures and timeline cannot view the hidden tag photos. You will get the privacy you need by hiding tag photos. The privacy option for tag photos only applies to your profile or timeline. The photos will still be available on the page of the individual who published the image on Facebook. Here's how to do it. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Navigate to the menu tab in the right corner. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Select Profile and Tagging in the Audience and Visibility section. Then, tap the Review Posts that you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile option. Turn on the Review Posts you're tagged in option. You are not alone if you are still trying to figure out how to hide tag photos on Facebook. Sometimes people value privacy. If you do not like the idea of a friend or anyone tagging you on a photo, there is a way to work around the issue. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.